Hello everyone, how are you all? Are you enjoying? Okay, today we are going to do increasing order and decreasing order. So, increasing order means something increase small, big, bigger and biggest. Increase हो रहा है ना small, big, bigger, biggest. Increase हो रहा है. Let's learn with an example. Here, see small tree, big, bigger, biggest. This is increasing order. Okay, this is increasing order. नीचे से ऊपर के तरफ जा रहा है, increase हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. That is called increasing order. Small, big, bigger, and then biggest. सबसे बड़ा. छोटे के तरफ, छोटे से बड़े के तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. ओके, तो क्या हुआ? इंक्रीज हो रहा है, कोई चीज़ बढ़ रही है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल लर्न फ्रॉम वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सी, वन, टू, थ्री, फोर, फाइव. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकेंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप, फोर्थ स्टेप, फिफ्थ स्टेप. ये कैसे हो रहा है? ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. नीचे से ऊपर के तरफ जा रहा है. ओके, नीचे से ऊपर के तरफ जा रहा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, क्लियर? वन मोर थिंग वी विल डू. सी, वन, वन, टू, वन, टू, थ्री, वन, टू, थ्री, फोर, वन, टू, थ्री, फोर, फाइव, वन, टू, थ्री, फोर, फाइव, सिक्स. Okay, increased. In every step, one circle is adding on the previous one. 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, means it is increasing. Okay, it is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is increasing. In increasing order, we arrange the numbers smallest to biggest number. Clear? Let's clear the concept with exercise. Okay? Now see. Number is given 4, 8, 2, 6. Now we have to arrange it in increasing order. Okay. Now you will do, first of all, the number which is near to 0 is the smallest number. Okay. We have already learned it in previous video, in previous class, isn't it? Then which number is the nearest to the 0? Yes, number 2. So first of all we will write here number 2. Okay, answer number 2. Just count it. After 2, 3. 3 is not here. Then 4. Yes, you will write here 4. Okay. Now 5 not here. 6. Write 6. Then 7 and here is written 8. Okay. You can do it with the help of counting. Okay. Increase. After 2, then 4. This is also increasing, right? Let's do the another example. Ten, 16, 8, 12. Now answer. Now just put it in increasing order. First of all 8 will come because why? Why 8 will come? Because this is nearest to 0. Okay, this number is nearest to 0. So we have to write first of all 8. And just count it. After 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10. 11, 12. Yes, 12 is there. Then 14, 15. No, 14, 15 नहीं है. क्या है? 16 है. Okay, write 16. This is called increasing order. Clear? After increasing order, now we will understand decreasing order. Okay, children? Now we will do our decreasing order. This is just opposite to increasing order. In increasing order, we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. But in decreasing order, we arrange the numbers from biggest number to smallest number, right? Let's learn with the same example of tree. First of all, this is the biggest tree, small tree, smaller tree, and then smallest tree. It is decreasing. Height is decreasing. Okay? Height is decreasing. See? Okay, children? This is the decreasing order. Getting down. In same manner, we will do the decreasing order concept. Okay? Now, five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bigger to smaller. Now it is decreasing. In decreasing order, something is getting down. Something is getting down. Decreasing order. One more method is there to clear the decreasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. This is reducing. Okay, this is decreasing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is decreasing. Okay. It means in every step one circle is reducing. In every step, one circle is reducing. Something is getting down. Something is reducing. Let's practice the decreasing order. First of all, question number A. Number is given 8, 2, 5, 7. Now we have to arrange it in decreasing order. Decreasing order means the number which is far from the 0 is the bigger number. Which is the bigger number here? Yes. Now we will write the answer. Bigger number is 8. Okay. After that 7. Then 5. And last number 2. This is called decreasing order. We have arranged their numbers in decreasing. Okay. Next, number 6, 9, 12, 20. Now we have to arrange it in decreasing order. In this case, the number which number is far from the 0? Yes, 20. 2 is on the tens place. Okay? 2 is on the tens place. So, 20 is the bigger number. Okay? After that, tens number, 2-digit number, 1 is on tens place. 1 is on tens place. Okay? Now, we will write here number 12. Now, which one is big? Which one is big? 6 or 9? Yes, 9. And after that, 6. This is the decreasing order. I hope now you all are able to do this sums of increasing and decreasing order, right? Then what are you waiting for? Just do practice. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.